Wow, a nice parrot. Wow.
Wrenchy.
A puffer fish.
A puffer.
Again.
A parrot. Take him up, take him up.
Yes, take him. Why?
Jesus,
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Yes, my people. Pleasant morning to you guys. Start the morning like this, you know, my peeps. I like this, me start the morning.
A puffer fish.
A puffer.
Carry him over, so.
Puffer to the wow. I said puffer. What a thing.
Puffer fish, guys.
Yes, man.
Can you hold the hook in your mouth? And so no go on. Well, that one I lick him, I forgot to go back, guys.
Yeah. And you know all that liquor, you know?
Lick him on.
But we know they go way bigger than this. No, all that liquor, my people. Alright, calm down, no man. You know, if you puff up, say no bad boy. Let out some of your water.
Them.
And her ears are fin.
I feel you look like I ears.
You can see her ears.
No, sir.
One puffer in her
He look like I ears. So there.
But I think I did something better.
Oh,
So you see the bigger one them guys, they want them nice.
We're saying a curry them.
Watch them puff out
Curry
the water.
coconut
Look
milk.
at the deflate. Look there. Look at him spit out the water. You just take time and spit out the water, guys. Watch it. Take time and go right back down. So yes, my people, welcome back to the channel. You don't know a thing, go. Yeah, man, we're here. I'll put him off back in the water. Go on. Watch out. That Ghana road. That Ghana road, guys. Wait, I feel like I sit in your mouth and bait already. Now, sir, how this lights up?
Early morning, feel nice, guys.
Yeah.
Boat out at sea.
Me know man see sitting alright. Me want to feel light.
Alright, guys, I know stay tuned because I set up, I go bait up my hook, guys, for send out there. Now stay tuned.
Seems as if Mickey has something. What is it? Oh my. Oh my. That is nothing, Mickey. That is nothing. Oh my.
Why? You know they love me line, so I'm not throwing back in.
That Ghana road.
They love me line, me always I catch them. I don't want to catch them, you know, guys. Yes, take him. Why?
Jesus,
hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Jesus. Jesus, please. Jesus. This happened so quick, guys.
Me feel how that to me heart. Oh God, man. Yo, you nearly get me now. Alright, I did the drop off.
Jesus. Oh God. Oh Jesus.
No. Me thinking gone, you know. Well, I say feel like the hook not sharp. Oh.
Thank you, Jesus.
Guys, get bait to put out, you know. Bar drop.
See the guys.
Hold on, let me see if I can catch him from some people. Come now.
He
Yes,
jump.
Man. Yes, man, the right place to go. Yo, the way I set the hook in my mouth, watch you tear out in lip, you know? Put you underneath in the door so thin. Sometimes I wonder if you hook with poison and skin. Alright, calm down. No bother with that. You understand? You know. You know like catching anyone that's still doing no guys, because they want to bar jack them different from the blue run of them. The bar jack them love the rock side. So that was shut off now. I love the rock side, man.
Watch there.
You know, like go out a bit.
Watch out, how him pull it down so.
Time I try go down in a coral.
Come up, man.
Can you fight, Baba, man?
You
powerful, you know? Powerful, you fast.
Thank God we get one bait.
Yeah.
Guys,
nice eating size fish too, you know, guys, but...
Yeah, but we are using for bait.
Yeah, more.
Guys, don't stay tuned because I feel like I get little bite like family.
Yeah. So we don't have no action camera anymore, guys.
Yeah. Don't stay tuned.
Come up, no, man. Hey, me set that hook the wicked, you know? Alright, guys. There we go. Go and hook up. A nice parrot. Don't know what kind of parrot this is, guys, but nice little one. I'll keep that one. Call him one of the 50 size, guys.
He might go get fry.
Yeah, low fry I get, man. Oh gosh. Take him off of the hook. Guys, all know the fish now go nowhere now. You know, it's up on Baba. I'll know. I say, guys, we see one big shark. Yo, a shark there. Now run nothing under 100 pounds.
Remember me tell you.
I must have want 200 pounds to blow the way shark. One
Big
reef shark, nurse shark. Biggest.
I first may ever see them come here, so first.
So guys, they are the pray for hit the line, you know, but boy ain't swim past the bait. See my circle, you know, but you don't know where you go.
You're so excited we not get fish with them, so.
Yeah, we are cast guys and nothing go on, so I turn back to my seafloor fishing, you know. Mickey as well.
Guys, they are drop right there so and catch parrot.
Yeah, right at the edge. And catch the parrot them, because the parrot them there alongside there, so guys.
Yep.
Them on the blue run of them. The bar jack. I want bar jack that, guys. Bar jack not really, you know. So I prefer to use the hardtail them, the blue run of them. Blue run of them love it deep. So then we swim go way out, guys, so we can get strike. The bar jack them love each up at the rock side. But you don't know where you go when fish on me, people.
Yeah.
So stay tuned.
Guys, nothing on going, you know. The fish did it so till he exhausts himself.
Me hear my brethren, you sound like my brethren RG said. Barra.
You sound like RG out there, so one of we diver brethren, guys. They're out there, so.
Yeah,
sound like me hearing say one barra to the other one. Oh Lord.
I'm drawn out there, guys. He constantly swim come in and me take him and show him out a couple times.
Yeah, he get exhausted.
He get exhausted and dead. So he goes still, you know. This is how we get so far, my peeps.
On the parrot.
On the parrot, yeah.
So guys, what we have to go do? We have to go off. We have to go home.
We'll go, man.
We're going to go home, guys. Recuperate and everything. And see if we come back in the night.
Fishing,
yeah. Going to do some evening night fishing somewhere off there. So from when, guys, this is what's been happening to us. So we have to just work with the flow. On 100.
Yeah, still catch something.
Yeah, we still catch something. We have one jack and one parrot to go over with. If we did survive, we would have survived.
That's all the time that we hunt, so guys. We can't get to do the video them as how we usually do them, where we can spend a whole day upon a video. Right time there again, so you get me. But
yeah.
I do it same way. Don't know team stretching the build. So
Team
wanna
search
know the
alone.
general.
Team search alone. Okay.
Yeah. We don't recognize Team Mickey, you know, guys. Team you not going with nothing.
So just this alone we have Finno, guys.
Finno.
One Parrot and one Jack. Yeah. So as we say, guys, wanna stay tuned until in the evening hours when we come back, guys. Yes, guys, we're there back on the ends.
Yeah, my peeps. They are
Because
going to beat
such-
up the water too.
I drink such when they drink water and wait up in well and chest, so you know, guys, look there.
Yeah. Guys, the
Why
time
may I
hot.
tell you? So this is some chum. What name? Chum or chump?
Chum Mickey, chum. A chum.
So my chum in water, guys. And we are going to see if we do some
What's everything,
seaflower
yeah.
fishing again.
And some jack fishing too.
And jack. And we're gonna stay until in the night, most likely. If you know work out from early in the evening, we're gonna stay till the night, guys.
So me just guys, me just finesse up on everything, you know. Me
Yes.
just be with action. Me just all in my camouflage. I make Nicky know say nothing can work. That's why if you don't keep stretchy thing there, you know. Yeah. Them thing them me dey on right now.
Okay
So she
then.
have to know herself, you know. Yeah, man.
So my beautiful viewers and subscribers, I'm gonna bait up my line and I'm gonna cast out.
Yeah.
So just stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned for the
I'm gonna pray
action.
for you, guys. I'm gonna start to a couple of them, you know. Yeah. Mickey has something. What is it? Whoa, a nice parrot. What a sweet thing.
What a nice parrot, guys.
Blow, I'm pretty.
What a nice parrot.
Alright, see that fish whisperer? It's the one where you give praise, you know, you know, guys. If it wasn't for me, you know, she wouldn't catch a parrot there, you know. Don't know.
That one nice one, you know what?
Yeah, nice one, in
I'm gonna catch
fat.
one this morning. Jeez, I'm me at the fish whisperers.
Mickey, you alright. Take out your type parrot mode, that's what you have to do. My people, me I throw a lure, and me not have to leave the lure for video, so you know, stay tuned and see if I can take up my lure.
You have him?
I don't know, you know, let it go. I know
You
you
let
let
it
it go,
go?
man. Let it go.
Oh gosh.
I know you let it go.
Now whisper hard enough for yourself. Oh Lord. You're rough.
You don't worry yourself. You let it go to blow you. I know you let it go, you know. Feel this, I know have it good. Yeah, so I don't know where you're going with people. A lure me I use. So for me more harder than for you. Just throw it and just tap it off it.
Excuses, guys. Excuses. Out there. Without fear. Yes, guys. I'm gonna stay tuned till fish on.
Yeah. Side jig me I use I know my people. This is the jig. You see me? See how it go, you know?
Come in.
I hope I something good you get, you know.
I wonder. I hope so too. Come in. Where you there?
No seen surface yet.
Again.
A parrot. Take him up, take him up.
Again.
In fat, you blow.
Again.
Watch out.
Another one.
The people. How make you go inside now even? Yeah?
Another parrot, guys. I mean, you have the parrot set up.
Blow, yeah, because I use a little hook.
Yes. And then me want
Shall
me I
use the
use
small
it.
hook, guys.
Because them out liquor, guys.
Sure.
Woo!
Parrot.
I want to stretch. Parrot in my pot.
Alright, man.
Okay.
Go on, my people.
I'm going to take him off.
Yeah, man.
Parrot in my pot, guys. Hey.
Guys, I change the lure, you know. I'm getting frustrated and I change the lure.
So
This is the
I
lure
am
now.
going to fall roast them with some nice butter and pepper.
Yeah.
Woo!
Parrot fish nice, you know.
Me I tell you, man. Me love when they file roast. And look and get hook. I want a little pinch. I want a little something hold him up, you know. Boy, yeah, fight. Look at you. That is it. Yes.
Blow it up, drink come from the deep. The water deep out there, now, guys. No joke. So now stay tuned again, guys. So tell me I whip up Mickey, you know.
Yes, guys, me I go back out there. Out there. Yeah, whip me up.
Me I whip you, Mickey. No worry yourself.
I go whip who? Talk short stretch.
Me?
Who I whip who?
Either way, me win, Mickey.
Same place I go get the parrot and I hit this and I go back go get it. Another one.
Either way, me I win.
Another
Because I am whispering.
What did you catch?
I whisper, so me catch them.
Okay.
Yeah?
Stay there and whisper for yourself. Stay tuned, guys. Why?
Oh wow. Oh wow. Thank you, that one.
Like seriously?
Yeah. Let's dash a kiss in quick and fast, no man. We don't catch any kind of fish there. If a team stretch don't catch any fish there, none at all.
You get smaller than that.
Me don't catch no fish with big, with little so.
Stretcher gets smaller than that. Me not ask you.
Mickey,
Tell you.
never. Just
Tell
monsters team stretch catch.
Be a little monsters.
Just monsters.
You ever watch a cartoon there with the little monster there? Are there little fish there you catch?
Boy, little fish. So you see me a pull on my
Come
big
again
tarp
with the
and
parrot
the
then.
As Mickey I go on like she want to hurt my spirit, you know, but my spirit will never be broken. You get me?
Why? I can't bother.
How you catch this at time?
Come in, let me see how I hope for something nice, you know. And I don't know, reef.
Boy, if a piece of reef you pick off, boy, rough.
Come on.
No one a reef, me see him. I want Wenchy.
Boy.
Wow.
Wrenchy, wrenchy, wrenchy.
Oh man, how Mickey are going so naively now? Guys, look at. How Mickey are going so?
You can't talk to me, boy. Yeah, whisper. Whisper for yourself.
Yeah, but if it wasn't for me, this wouldn't be possible.
Whisper for yourself. What do you?
Talk to her for me, no guys. You know, talk to her for me.
What do you?
Well, let me hold him. I see me a spiky body in a youth. Hold on, watch my hand. Guys, you see them spike here? You have some spike right there, so. Them they will kill you.
2 fish for the one little bait.
We don't talk too long, you know. We not talk long, you know, Mickey. We not talk long. We not talk long.
Oi! Somebody not catch nothing, guys.
What you face? Sweet, eh? Sweet, yo. Realize how it's sweet, yo. But we not say nothing, man. You not say nothing.
Out here, come give me tough chat. I know you're not take up one for an evening.
I not say nothing. Nah, say nothing. Everything good, Mickey, man. Don't worry yourself, man. A big fish me hunt, you know.
Again.
One, me just need to catch one big one and you're dead. One big one.
Fish, me
Yeah.
bet one fish where you catch now, go catch back then 3 fish.
No worry yourself, everything good.
Alright.
Me done with the bag of chatting, you know, guys.
Alright.
Action, me say, you know, guys. Action.
Guys, don't stay tuned. Stay tuned for the war.
Wow. Guys, on a peek out there, so guys. Hot like wow, palm me do. So, guys, quick update. This is what's happening. Mickey's still fishing, nothing more. The sun has set. And we're not going to do nothing else, guys. So, right now it look like it kind of sticky. I have a soldier crab set out on a line of my people. Whole soldier crab, but not hit it as yet. I mean, I believe so me I go stay so till in the night, you know. So we are going to give it some more minutes until we see dust up come down before we call it quits. But we only catch 2 more parrot and a Wrenchman. Although we would have so we catch 2 more parrot and a Wrenchman, guys. We catch a parrot this morning as well. One parrot and one jack. So we catch a parrot and a jack. So we go fairly good feed here. We can't complain, guys. We can't complain. Because we never put nothing out there, you see me? So we still have to give thanks. But we're fishing some more. If nothing work out, when we see it. If not, I don't know. When we get back to we would be checking out. You get me? So stay tuned, I don't know. Blessings and respect to each and everyone. We support we and all them things there. You don't know. Blessings to each and everyone. You get me? Yeah, man. Now stay tuned. As me could have talk, guys, and turn off the camera. Make you say, sit in the pan. Oh, you catch? I hope I'm sitting good, you know.
I hope so too.
I hope I don't know strawberry. No, sir. A Wenchi. Nice one. Nice one. Yeah, he nice, guys, but he not bigger than the next one. But he nice. He can go on.
Yeah.
He can go on, you know.
He might go on.
Yeah.
He might go on in a pot.
So I don't know where you going, my peeps. Another one just as me any camera, you know. Make it bingo again. So you go still. Yeah, it look like he kind of swallow. He not swallow too bad though. You can see it. Let me go for pliers.
You know, long me feeling video, me I say, you told me to take him up before you turn off the camera. I said, turn off the camera. I said,
yeah, because we turn off the camera, me here say it.
Sure. Here you go.
Alright, let me hold him. Because I know he's spiky.
When you hold them, they love like them out, you know.
I know, I realize.
You! Alright, see you.
You can't take out the little hook yet, Mickey.
Whatever, stretch, whatever.
If it was me, I take out the hook a long time.
No fish yet, stretch.
Bumpy. Okay, everything good, you know. If it wasn't for me, you wouldn't catch that one, yeah.
Wow. I'm going to catch more again and show you.
Anything you say? I'm holding by the ass of him, guys.
You watch me.
Leo. Be a laugh, she out there laugh off of me, you know, guys. Be a game, my game, but everything good.
I'm gonna bingo and you win.
Everything good, man. You can go and have a little one win. We don't complain. Team stretch not complain. You have to make it feel good.
Things that go like team stretch is all that.
Team stretch is all that. You get me? Yeah.
Team stretch is all that. Loser.
Let me see what you want to say, Mickey. Can't I say I don't know me I teach the same way. I don't know. Yeah, man, so now stay tuned, guys. Guys, we don't know what's going on with Mickey, you know, we don't know if something on the line. But we'll see what's going on. A puff of fish! A puff of fish! Me can't believe this. I never see a puff of fish we catch back. I can't see a puff of fish we catch back. I must sit in here.
I say it feels like it come and it don't come.
Yeah. Guys, let me see if I can see what go on here. Look, man. How you look so, master?
I tell you. And you look like the
Puff
same
up,
man where you're catching him.
Look like just same size, same everything.
Same everything.
Can I put out the water? Puff up so. Bombarding juke me, you know. The spine juke me, yeah. See there. Spine juke me, man.
What if on it? What if on this? Can't believe it.
Deflate.
You must say like the funny me now.
I like the funny me, man. Go on like.
Yes, I know, man. How that feels so a while ago.
One puff up stiff, man. What? Watch out. What are you doing there? Up on here, guys. Make your hair then look some massa. Yeah, no. Make it dash back out there again. Come deflate man, deflate now.
Out there me going.
Need stay still too, you know. And you hot too.
Tabona.
Tabon me a little bit. Too good. Nah, deflate, you know.
Show him back out there, point there.
So him just start deflate there.
You must hear the word DEAD and don't want to DEAD.
The water and take inside him, you know. See water come back out of him there. Let out back the water. Ma let out it in gill. In gill. In gill the right eye in fin. Not in ears Mickey, not in ears. In gill Mickey. What's your problem?
No sir. Me say it look like a ears in fin them.
Watch him puff up back. Me come back and puff up back stiff. Where? Could you spite them?
Teeth.
Then turn up in a brother.
Try take him up and throw him back. They're not easy for dead, so still in there.
No, they're not easy for dead. Let's not throw him back in the water, you know. Boom along like a ball. Him boom like a ball to blow up. Him boom like a ball. What's it? He still afloat there?
Maybe he come up too fast.
Yeah, no. Guys, I can go on about him business, you know. Now stay tuned, my people.
We soon leave now, guys. But
yeah, we soon leave out now. Dust up. Step on away.
alright guys, so that I catch for the evening. Just 4 of them.
I don't know where you go.
Nice little catching them. Parrot them fat. Fat your blow. So guys, we're out, you know, no 100.
Yeah, my people.
Stretch get beaten bad.
That's how I go, guys.
Bad beaten, you know how I go. Yeah.
I have to talk.
Ain't gonna try come back with revenge, you know, guys.
Guys, this is
But-
true, because you're not tired and anything. But just make sure just get rid of one of this evening, you know. But then stay tuned, guys, until the next adventure.
Yes, guys. Big up on yourself.